Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this beautiful Christmas centerpiece. A touch of spark, a little light, and a lot of love. The candlelight shine bright, the ornaments twinkles, and the pinkons bring the warm or nature home, simple, elegant, and full of Christmas joy. Simple and beautiful. Here are simple Christmas centerpiece anyone can make. Just gather some greeny red berries and a few candles. Arrange them in a bowl or on a tray. Add a ribbon for that holiday magic. It's easy, it's festive, and fill your home with joy. Nature Christmas charm. This centerpiece is inspired by nature, green leaves, pinkles, and golden candles. Together they bring the forest feel to your table, a calm, cozy, a classic Christmas look. Friends, Christmas centerpiece, simple, elegant, and full of holiday magic. This piece will bring warm joy and a festive touch to your home. Let's begin with the base. You can use a wooden tray or glass plate or even a simple bowl. The base don't have to be fancy. It's just need to hold your Christmas spirit. Now we add some greenery, fresh pins, branches, leaves, or even artificial one will do perfectly. Green in the color of life, and it's bring a natural Christmas feel to your table. Spread the leaves evenly and let them form a soft green bed. Next come the light candles. Candles are the heart of any Christmas centerpiece. Choose red, white, or golden ones for that holiday glow. Place one in the center and two or three smaller ones around it. When they shine, the whole room fills with warmth and magic. Now it's time to add a little spark, small ornament, shining bells, golden ribbon, or silver bells, whatever you love, and add a few pinkons to give it a natural touch. You can even spray a little fake snow for that winter wonderland look. Every detail you add make it more personal. Maybe a small angel, a tiny Santa, or a few red berries. These small things make your centerpiece tell your Christmas story. The best part is there no rule. You can make it simple for fancy colors or clay. What matters is the love, happiness, and put into it. When your centerpiece is ready, light and candle. Turn some Christmas music and feel the magic in the air. The warm light, the sweet smell of pins, and spark of ornaments make your corner for your cozy feel and full of joy. This Christmas, let your centerpiece remind you that beauty comes from simple things, a little light, a little color, and a heart full of love. Viewers and homemade Christmas, making a Christmas centerpiece at home is easy and fun. Use what you have: candles, flowers, or ornaments. Add your favorite color. When you make it with love, it will always look beautiful. Viewers and Red and golden magic. Red and gold, the color of Christmas joy. This centerpiece is shone bright with love and warmth. A perfect touch for your dinner table, simple beauty that's make every meal feel special. Viewers and simple and beautiful. Here are simple Christmas centerpiece anyone can make. Just gather some creamy red berries and a few candles. Arrange them in bowl or on a tray. Add a ribbon for that holiday magic. It's easy, it's festive, and it fills your home with joy. Friends and viewers, thank you for watching. I hope this give you inspiration to create your own Christmas centerpiece. Don't forget to share your creating and spread the joy this season. Merry Christmas and happy holiday. So Allah Hafiz.